I'm Aletha with WTI, and I just want to share with you my 3-piece pattern notcher set. This set is from the Bluemoona store. This set is high quality. So it's made of steel, so nice and durable. I love it because so far I have not had an issue with the product bending or rusting. I love it. So you're going to get a pattern notcher, you're going to get an awl, and you're going to get a pinwheel. And the pinwheel is made of nice steel, it's ergonomic, and it has a nice wooden handle. The same thing goes for the awl, the wooden handle, and it's high quality steel. It's very, very strong. So I like that because I don't want any of my very essential items that I need for pattern making to bend or to rust. And the same thing goes for the notcher. So the notcher makes a nice 1/4-inch notch in my patterns. It doesn't need to be too big, so it's the perfect size. The spring action is very ergonomic on the notcher. It stays open so that you don't even have to worry about opening it. It stays open. All you do is make your notch. I love these for a great price. They are very affordable, all 3 in one set. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.